Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data, so start a quick backup now. Once that's running, shut down. When you power up, hold Command+R until the Apple logo appears. This boots recovery. Make sure you know an administrator password because you will need it. Once in recovery, choose Disk Utility and select Macintosh HD. You're already past setup. Now we'll move directly into checking and repairing the disk structure. Once you've selected Macintosh HD, click First Aid and start the scan. This verifies the file system and fixes common directory errors. If First Aid reports fixes, run it a second time to confirm stability. Make sure to try Safe Mode or Internet Recovery if it fails. Safe Mode limits extensions, and Internet Recovery uses a different OS image. If Disk Utility points to a specific file system error, open Terminal and run Diskutal commands carefully, because that's a deeper repair step. If First Aid succeeds, restart and observe performance. Make sure apps and files open normally. Once done, you may reinstall macOS over the existing volume to replace system files without erasing your data. If the disk is irreparably damaged, erase and restore from your backup, but confirm you have a valid backup first. For troubleshooting, create a bootable installer or run Apple Diagnostics to check hardware. If diagnostics show physical errors, stop and consult a technician, because software fixes won't help fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.